Imagine this. It's late at night and you're still at your desk. The glow of your laptop is the only light in the room. Your phone buzzes with notifications, emails pile up, and your to-do list just keeps growing. Can you feel the energy? You're juggling client calls, invoices, social media posts, and endless admin tasks. Every time you cross one thing off, three more appear. Your coffee is cold, your eyes are tired, and you wonder, is this what building a business is supposed to feel like? Let's find out together. There are sticky notes everywhere, reminders, deadlines, ideas you can't afford to forget. Papers are stacked high, and your desktop is a maze of open tabs and unfinished projects. It's chaos, but it's your chaos. Sometimes it feels like you're drowning, buried under a tidal wave of tasks, with no one to help. You try to stay afloat, but the pressure keeps building. But don't worry, there's hope. But what if you didn't have to do it all alone? What if you could have a team of 5 highly skilled employees, working for you around the clock, without paying a single salary? Sounds amazing, right? Today, I'm going to introduce you to 5 AI tools that can transform your business. These aren't just clever tricks, they're your new digital workforce. They'll handle the heavy lifting, organize your chaos, and help you scale faster than you ever thought possible. Are you ready? The first 4 tools are fantastic, but the 5th one is truly next level. Like hiring a permanent, tireless employee who never takes a break. Ready to see how you can build smarter, not harder? Let's get started. This is going to be fun. The biggest obstacle for new entrepreneurs is time. Every task, emails, marketing, planning, demands your attention, and the hours just disappear. But what if you could multiply your productivity with a single tool? Meet ChatGPT, your new superpower. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's your digital assistant, available 24/7. Imagine opening your laptop, typing a prompt, and instantly getting a polished email, a week's worth of social media posts, or a marketing plan tailored to your business. How cool is that? For example, let's say you need a 30-day content calendar for a bakery. Just type, generate a friendly, informal Instagram calendar to attract local customers. In seconds, you have a full plan. No research, no writer's block. It's like magic. Or maybe you're stuck on a marketing strategy. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest 3 creative ways to launch a new product online. Instantly, you get actionable ideas tailored to your business and audience. It's that easy. ChatGPT even learns your tone. If you prefer a casual, friendly style or a formal, professional voice, just tell it once, and it remembers for next time. Your brand stays consistent, and your messaging sounds like you. How awesome is that? Here's a real-world scenario. A freelancer needs to impress a potential client with a proposal. Instead of spending hours drafting, she asks ChatGPT to write a persuasive pitch, tailored to the client's needs. She sends it off, and lands the job. Success! The free version of ChatGPT is already powerful, but for about €20 a month, ChatGPT Plus unlocks GPT-4. Faster, smarter, and able to handle more complex tasks. And with GPT-4o, you get even quicker responses, plus the ability to process images and voice. Next level stuff. Whether you're a solo founder, a freelancer, or running a team, ChatGPT is your brainstorming partner, copywriter, and productivity booster, all in one. For anyone serious about building a business, this tool is non-negotiable. You need this in your toolkit. Every entrepreneur knows the feeling. Your head is full of ideas, plans, and to-dos, but chaos quickly takes over. That's where Notion AI steps in, transforming scattered thoughts into a clear, organized workspace. Imagine you're writing a project brief and need a summary. With a single click, Notion AI condenses your text into a concise overview. Need action items? It instantly turns your notes into a bulleted to-do list, so nothing slips through the cracks. Notion AI isn't just for solo founders. It's a game changer for teams. Picture remote team members collaborating in real time, assigning tasks, sharing updates, and brainstorming together, all in one place. Avatars and icons show who's working on what, making teamwork seamless. For about €10 a month, you get structure, clarity, and speed, whether you're juggling multiple projects, planning content, or managing a growing business. Notion AI is the ultimate central hub for your business's brain, helping you work smarter, not harder. Meetings are supposed to bring clarity, but too often they leave us with more questions than answers. You leave a call thinking, what did we actually decide? Who was supposed to follow up? Weeks later, those details are lost, and important action items slip through the cracks. That's where Fireflies.ai comes in. Imagine a smart assistant that joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls, records every word, and never misses a detail. No more scrambling to take notes or worrying about forgetting something important. After the meeting, Fireflies automatically transcribes the entire conversation, But it doesn't stop there. It highlights key points, decisions, and action items, so you can quickly review what matters most. Need to find a specific decision or follow-up task? Just search the transcript. Instantly, you can pull up exactly what was said, who said it, and what needs to happen next. No more digging through endless emails or chat threads. Fireflies even integrates with your calendar. It can automatically join scheduled meetings, so you never have to remember to invite it. Whether you're a coach, a sales team, or a remote worker, this tool keeps everyone on the same page. The basic version of Fireflies is free, and for advanced features like identifying action items or integrating with other tools, you pay about 10 to 20 euros a month. For anyone who runs meetings, coaches, sales teams, remote workers, Fireflies saves time, prevents mistakes, and makes sure nothing falls through the cracks. Video content is the future of marketing, but for most entrepreneurs, it feels out of reach. Maybe you don't have the time, the camera gear, or the editing skills. That's where Pictory.ai comes in. It removes all those barriers and puts professional video creation at your fingertips. Imagine this. You copy and paste your blog post, script, or article into Pictory. Instantly, the platform analyzes your text and starts building a video. No technical skills required. In seconds, Pictory generates scenes, adds a professional voiceover, and even creates subtitles. You watch as your plain text transforms into a dynamic, engaging video, complete with relevant stock footage and smooth transitions. Let's look at a before and after. On one side, you have a simple block of text. On the other, a polished video with music, visuals, and captions, ready to share with the world. Pictory is perfect for YouTube creators who want to turn scripts into videos, for course instructors who need professional lessons, and for entrepreneurs making social media ads that stand out. For around $49 a month, you unlock all the best features: voiceovers, subtitles, and a huge library of stock footage. No need for a cameraman, editor, or expensive software. Just your ideas, turned into videos in minutes. With Pictory.ai, you can finally create high-quality videos that grow your business. No stress, no barriers, and no excuses. Imagine this. You have leads coming in from your website, emails to send, a CRM to update, and notifications to manage. But all these tools are scattered, and you're stuck doing the same repetitive tasks over and over. What if you could connect everything and let it all run on autopilot? That's where Zapier.ai comes in. Zapier is the ultimate automation tool for entrepreneurs. It acts like a digital bridge, connecting your favorite apps, like Google Forms, Slack, Gmail, and your CRM, so they work together seamlessly without you ever touching a button. Here's how it works. Let's say someone fills out a lead form on your website. Instantly, Zapier grabs that information, adds the new lead to your CRM, sends you a Slack notification, and fires off a personalized welcome email, all automatically. With Zapier.ai, you don't need to code or set up complicated workflows. Just type what you want in plain English, like, when someone fills out my form, add them to my CRM, send a Slack message, and email them a welcome note. Zapier understands and builds the automation for you. Imagine the impact. New leads are instantly welcome. Your CRM is always up to date, and your team gets notified in real time. No more manual data entry, no more missed follow-ups, and no more wasted hours. You can start using Zapier for free, and as your business grows, advanced features start at about 22 euros a month. For that price, you get time, clarity, and the power to scale your business without hiring extra staff. Zapier.ai is like hiring a digital employee who never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and works 24/7. It's the secret weapon for turning your business into a true automated machine, so you can focus on what matters most: growth. Let's recap. You started this video feeling overwhelmed, juggling every part of your business alone. But now, you have 5 powerful AI tools at your fingertips, each designed to take a load off your shoulders. ChatGPT saves you hours by writing, brainstorming, and planning. Notion AI organizes your ideas and keeps your projects on track. Fireflies AI captures every meeting detail so nothing slips through the cracks. Pictory AI turns your words into professional videos in minutes. And Zapier AI connects everything, automating your workflows so your business runs itself. Imagine all 5 tools working together. Your digital team, always on, always efficient. The entrepreneur who once looked stressed is now confident and in control, watching as the AI logos on their screen connect and form a seamless, powerful system. All the links are in the description below. Try these tools for yourself, and let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more ways to build your business smarter, not harder. Your next level starts now.